Hello, students. I want to start off this topic on behavior strategies describing the role of the SLPA. So in our previous section, our implementing treatment section, you've learned different strategies for setting up successful therapy sessions. We looked at 3 different factors, one factor being client factors, such as the client's interests, their readiness to learn, and their motivation. Another factor are environmental factors, the sensory environment, the furniture setup, and the materials and the presentation of activities. And then also clinician factors, such as building rapport, the types of interactions, the types of scaffolding and prompting used. For SLPAs working in the schools, it's important to remember that if significant behavior issues arise, SLPAs should not try to troubleshoot these behaviors on their own. The SLPA should always consult with the supervising SLP if significant behavior issues emerge. Many students with challenging behaviors will have behavior support plans as part of their IEPs, their individual education plans. These plans are legally binding, so everyone who works with a student needs to follow that plan. If a child who doesn't yet have one of these plans in place starts displaying a serious behavior, such as hitting, the SLP may want to call a meeting of the IEP to address it. Often this will involve the school psychologist completing a functional behavior assessment, and this can help determine what is triggering and maintaining the behaviors. And this information is helpful as the team drafts a behavior support plan. Many schools also have behavior consultants on staff, so you'd want to include them on the team as well. It would be very appropriate for the SLPA to participate in this process as well. SLPA should be familiar with the positive behavior interventions and supports called PBIS and functional behavior assessment, FBA. Each of these are described in the text chapter 11. It's important to understand that all schools in the U.S. are federally mandated to develop school-wide behavior support systems based on positive research-based practices. Part of this mandate is making sure that all school personnel receive regular trainings in the system, so that everyone within a school has consistent rules and expectations and uses the same language and techniques with students. The SLPA assistant should be offered this training in their employment setting as well. In Montana and some other states, these trainings are now being included with the multi-tiered system of support. It's often called MTSS. In this initiative, the purpose is to protect both the staff, such as the SLPA, and the child, and behavior concerns should be addressed in the context of the child's IEP team, and also part of a school-wide PBIS system. In this topic, using behavioral principles, the lesson will begin with strategies which can be used in implementing positive therapy sessions. Examples include providing descriptive praise and corrective feedback.